Hello friends, today's topic 5 sectors likely to go up from Navaratri to Diwali. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is service to society. Huge fall for markets. Nifty down by 1.4% today and closed below 19,000 mark. Currently Indian markets are at 4 months low. Nifty has fallen for 6 consecutive days now from 19,811 to 18,857, down 4.8%. In this video, we will present two interesting pieces of information. The first topic is best performing sectors from Navaratri to Diwali, October 15 to 12th November. Usually in the festival season, new clothes, jewelry, automobiles and consumer durables are bought. It's usually a good period for stock markets too. However, as of now in this year, it has been negative, but there is still some time for markets to recover. Sectoral gains, Navaratri to Diwali. Nifty 50, average gains in the last 10 years, 2.08%. Number of years of gains in the last 10 years, 9 out of 10. And number of percentage of gains in 2022, same period, 4.20%. Nifty Auto, average gains in the last 10 years, 3.42%. Number of years gains in the last 10 years, 10. And percentage gains in 2022, same period, 1.59%. Nifty Infra, average gains in the last 10 years, 3.27. Number of years, 9. And percentage of gains in 2022, same period, 3.40%. Nifty Financial Services, average gains in the last 10 years, 4.31%. Number of years of gains in the last 10 years, 8. Percentage gains in 2022, same period is 4.89%. Nifty Metal, average gains in the last 10 years during this period, 2.55. Number of years gains in the last 10 years, 7. And percentage gains in 2022, same period, 0.19%. Bank Nifty, average gains in the last 10 years, 4.99. Number of years of gains in the last 10 years, 7 out of 10. And percentage gains in 2022, same period, 6.96%. In this year, Navaratri to Diwali period is 15th October to 12th November. As of now, Nifty 50 and other sectoral indices are down by 4 to 6%. However, there are still 2 trading weeks till 12th November for markets to recover. 12th November is the day of Muhurat trading, when markets will be open for 1 hour in the evening for investors to buy shares, since it is considered auspicious to invest during this Diwali. Here is an announcement regarding our free webinar. Topic is how to create massive passive income from stock markets. It is happening on Sunday, 29th October, 10:30 a.m. to 12:45 p.m. And I assume that all of you know what is passive income. Passive income is the income that you derive when you are sleeping, whereas active income is the income that you get by doing business or going to office on a regular basis. If you don't earn passive income on a lifetime basis, you may have to work in order to run your life and run your family, because otherwise there is no extra money coming to you except for the salaries, and there is no passive income, there is no life at all. Dr. Bharath Chandra graduates did not attend this free webinar, and the seats are limited to first 150 people on first come first serve basis. What will you learn in this webinar? Understanding profitability of stock markets. Many people don't understand the profitability of the stock markets. They think that stock market means loss, and how to design pension income. If you are desirous of earning some 50,000 to 1 lakh, like that, some kind of a pension from your portfolio on a lifetime basis, then probably this particular webinar will be an eye-opener. How to make children education and marriage free is another beautiful topic. By getting the passive income, you can make the children education free, probably need not pay it from your pocket. And the last topic that we cover in this webinar is how to create huge wealth for retirement, and that in not in lakhs but in crores and crores. And By doing this, you'll be very comfortable earning that set of extra money that will be useful for you as and when you are investing small amount of money right from day one, and that is soon after attending this particular workshop. How to register for the webinar? Send an email to successdigest@gmail.com with email subject stock market webinar with name and mobile number. And once you attend the webinar, I know that you will benefit a lot from the webinar, and I hope you will take the benefit of the webinar by coming for the free webinar on this Sunday. Now I am discussing topic number 2. FIIs increase stake in IT stocks in spite of weak performance. For the last few months we have been telling the performance of IT stocks have been dismal, and also the news is for the next 1 or 2 quarters it is unlikely to improve the present situation. In spite of it, FIIs increased stake in major IT stocks such as Infosys, Tech Mahindra, TCS, Wipro in July-September 2023 quarter, even though the performance was weak and the business is expected to be dull for the next 1 or 2 quarters. FII's stake increase in IT companies. Infosys FII stake June 2023 33.43%, FII stake in September 2023 33.59%, and percentage change for the improvement is 0.16%. Second one is TCS, percentage stake increase is 0.01%. Tech Mahindra, percentage of increase is 0.53% the stakes. Wipro, 0.15% increase in stakes. Coforge, 9.58% increase in the stake during September 2023. Sonata Software, 0.76% increase. L&T Technology Services, 0.58% increase. In HCL Technologies and LTI Mindtree, FII stake fell marginally. During this period, mutual funds and insurance companies continue to invest in large IT stocks. Infosys, number of consecutive quarters of mutual fund stake increase 11, TCS 6, Tech Mahindra 11, LTI Mindtree 4, and Wipro, number of consecutive quarters of mutual fund stake increase is 7 out of 8. At the end of the video, here is a question for you. Did you feel fear when you saw market crash by 3.5% in the last 3 days? Yes or no? Then you may type in the chat box. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra, Rohan Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.